in the heart of you and me. Floating on a cosmic wave, past the limits we once gave. Baseline travel through the stars, healing all invisible scars. Dubwise echoes spin around in a never-ending sound. Universe begin to breathe as we learn to just release. See align the soul, making shattered pieces whole. Every tone a beam of light, guiding through eternal night. Babylon fading to dust when we learn the truth and trust. Nothing real can be destroyed. In this space we fill the void. Reflect within the mind, showing what we left behind. No more fear and no more doubt, only truth is moving out. Reverb stretch across the sky like a never-ending cry, calling all to recognize the power hidden in our lives. ancestral. Speak to the doublet spin. This your ancestral door. Make we always win. Jah wisdom echo from the root to the crown. Roots reggae rise, turn the world around. No more forget the past, the elders are guide. Babylon the racist tribe, but we not abide. Herb connect with to the lineage strong. Rasta memory lips sing the freedom song. Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo. Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright. One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo. Oh, and now the forefathers and now the mothers too. Live the tradition, make it new for you. Pass the torch of knowledge, never let it fade. In this your liberty, we are the upgrade. Yes, we select to make the rhythm echo, echo. Make the sound travel back through time we keep. Ganja are the bridge to the spirit realm. Rastaman I call, ancestors at the helm. Echo on, echo on. I returns. Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo. Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright. One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo. Ta, ta. Jah, Rastafari. Ancestral. One love, one lineage. Forever. We rock and stand through the hurricane blow. This year stand strong though. Let the whole world know. Jah foundation first. Never shake or sway. Roots reggae anchor. Show we the way. When the wind a howl and the flood arise, Babylon skin colors before we eyes. Herb a root we deep, make we trunk stay thick. Rasta spirit solid, no more fragile brick. Stand strong though. Let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more body head to the system hate. One solid stand still, the righteous faith. Stand strong though. are the temple made of sound. Where no walls can hold it down. Bassline hum like sacred chant. Life is more than what we want. Every echo in the space, with a slow and timeless grace. Dub wise whispers calm and deep, wake the soul from restless sleep. Footsteps fade into the groove. Every motion starts to move. There is more than meets the eye. Truth no system can deny. Babylon dissolve away when the righteous start to play. In the temple we are free, boundless as eternity. Rise slow in spiral form. Shelter from the outer storm. Joy is present in the air. In each breath a silent prayer. Reverb stretch the seconds long. silent skies. Bassline thunder rolls so deep. Wake the ones who still asleep. Dubwise echo twist and turn. In the fire we all must learn. Truth is not a thing to buy. It's a flame that never dies. Step by step we climb the heights, guided by Jaja light. No more fear to hold us down. We know where the wicked crown. Babylon system lose control. When the rhythm free the soul, every beat a revolution. Sound becomes the evolution. Dun, 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 dun. to rhyme. Uplift the humble voice. Artists sing with every drop. Feel the system never stop. Roots vibration in the chest. just like a light through the wilderness. Roots people follow to the happiness. Babylon are confused with them flashing lights, but the true star a call us through the night. Herb clarify the vision, sharpening up the sight. Rastafari strictly what is pure and right. Guiding star, lead we through the storm, lead we through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, like sheep without shepherd. Just star up on the way, make we all feel glad. Build the future bright with love and with respect. In this year, live it, we never regret. Yes, me select and make the rhythm follow the star. Make the echo travel far, touch every show. Ganja at the compass point, we do not trust. Rastaman a sing, follow the guiding torch. Forward, forward, hiring navigation. Guiding star, lead way through the storm, lead way through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, Rastafari. Guiding star, one love, one direction, forever, eternal flame. To the flame of burn, 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 to the flame of burn. Never go out. This your eternal dub, full of cloud. Your fire a glowing a every vein. Roots reggae can break every chain. The mountain top, the path that's clear. This a higher ground, drawing near. Jah breath a blow through the ancient trees. Rootical, set the spirit free. See the lights are blind, but we not lose the sight. Babylon a sink, we a climb to the height. Every step we take, faith a guide defeat. Rasta live it is strong, victory sweet. Higher ground. Higher ground. Whoa. Rise above the star, make the of light. In a this a reggae dub, we own the night. Yes, selector make the rhythm climb. Echoes capitalize, stars across the midnight sky. Ganja be the fuel, keep we engine a run. Rasta shout it out, we are reach the sun, a reach elevation. Higher ground, rise above the star, make the eagle fly. No more vibration, only blue sky. Unity the ladder, reach the most high. Higher ground, Jah, Rastafari. Higher ground, one love, one journey, forever. Close your eyes and drift away. Let the rhythm lead the way. Sacred bass begin to flow through the places we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Every pulse a healing way, freeing minds we thought stay. In the stillness find the sound, where the truest self is found. No more rushing, no more fear, only presence living here. Babylon noise fade to gray, as the dub begin to play. Simple truth within the tone, you were never alone, beginning without an end. Breathing slow with every beat, feel the earth beneath your feet. freeing minds we thought enslaved. In the stillness find the sound, where the truest self is found. No more rushing, no more fear, only presence living here. Babylon noise fades to gray as the dub begins to play. Simple truth within the tone. You are never alone. Breathe in slow with every beat. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Roots extend through space and time. In a universal rhyme, judge a voice without a word. Still in every note is heard, guiding gently through the night to a place of endless light. Let the echo cleanse the mind, leave the heavy past behind. In the rhythm we are free, just like wind across the sea. No more chains to hold you tight, only love and only light. The meditation take control, heal the body, heal the soul. When you open up your eyes, see the world without disguise. Everything is clear and true. Life is flowing through you. Sacred base will always stay, even when it fades away. Roots and up forever blessed, beginning without an end. and thunder rule. Echo drift through time and space, touching every hidden place.
Noble voice sound like sacred wind, wash away the weight of sin. In the silence, hear the truth, speaking softly to the youth.
Taste now, open ancient door, like we never knew before. Every drop of sound so wise, reflect deep within the eyes.
Babylon tried to steal the flame, but we never play that game. Roots connection hold us tight, guided by eternal light.
Through the echo we can see what we were and what we be. Past and future intertwined in the rhythm so divine.
No illusion can remain
When we break the mental chain, pure vibration fill the soul, making broken pieces whole. Ba 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 ba. John name in every breath, stronger far than fear or death. Chant it low and chant it high, let the truth forever fly. Speak a pulse like heartbeat strong,
carrying the rebel song.
from the gate to every land.
Truth is written in the sand, even when the sound grows dim.
Still the fire burns within,
Zion Gate is always near,
for the ones who truly hear.
echoes never fade away.
They just guide another way.
Roots stand up forever true, living deep inside of you.
Oh, yo, yo, yo. Ba, 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 ba. Walking through the desert sand, guided by an unseen hand.
this light echo through the night, leading souls toward the light. Every step a story told of the brave and of the bold. Noble winds across the land, writing truth we understand. Exodus from fear and pain, breaking every mental chain. Babylon behind we leave, in the truth we now believe. Oh, smoke and fire light the way, through the dark into the day. Every heartbeat like a drum, telling what we must become. Still we answer to the call, from the depths of history.